I, to be very frank, did not know so much about Raipur and its potential, and I can really feel this entire vibration very strongly having come here. What I'm going to talk about today is quite relevant to whatever the speakers have spoken during the course of the day, and the subject is about air pollution. Our focus of our company, F.Harley Co. Private Limited, which has been in this area of air pollution control since the mid-80s, has been in dust control. And as of today, we are market leaders in dust control technology and the dust suppression concept of tackling fugitive emissions in bulk material handling plants. My presentation is going to be containing about 6 minutes of various clips, about 19 picture slides. It's going to be more visual so that you can see and understand how we'll be able to control the primary nuisance applications, largely the conveyor transfer points, ground hoppers, and wagon tipplers, which is one of the worst applications one can ever come across. I think this would give you enough idea within this limited time period that we have here to appreciate the effectiveness of the dry fog based dust suppression technology and the value addition made by us to this technology to gain the most from it. I have heard the previous speaker, Dr. Pandey, talk about dry fog dust suppression systems, and I'm glad to see it on the screen, that the fact that this is being advised for its implementation. I would first start with a very short company introduction. Our company is based in Calcutta, established in the year 1825, taken over by the present management in 1967. As I mentioned, our focus is on dust control through dust suppression as well as dust extraction. And we've been in the business since 1985, and we have more than 150 installations in India and abroad. Our entire range of air pollution control systems is a very wide one, and in fact the widest is what we say in Asia, because we are the only company that offers both dust suppression and dust extraction since the mid-80s, and we have the widest range in dust extraction systems as well as dust suppression systems. And our other areas of business are acoustic cleaning systems, which takes care of processed dust, which I'm not going to be talking about right now. And another area called outdoor cooling systems, which we have come into this area in the last 2 years. As I mentioned, our forte, our main area is dust suppression systems, and the prime focus is for dust suppression systems. Plain water and chemical dust suppression systems are still applied, but they are techniques of the yesteryears, but they still do find applications. But primarily what we find in mostly all these specifications, consultants are specifying fog-based dust suppression systems. This has, the entire journey for us has happened through the various collaborations over a period of time, and we owe it to them. Our focus in terms of customers is across end users, OEMs and consultants, and we have been working with all of them since the mid-80s. So we've been there, and we're going to be there more strongly. Let's start with the main subject, the dry fog dust suppression system. Mind you, the word dense is there. That's the difference, and here is a before for a payloader application. Here is a video of a truck dump. You can see the truck tilting. The fog is already on behind. The material gets dropped and you don't find any material, no dust plumes anywhere, but people are comfortably standing over there.